am Dr. Uma, Assistant Professor, Department of Defense and Strategic Studies. Today, my presentation on United Nations Organization and Overview. That is table of content, introduction to UNO, principles of UNO, structure of UNO, achievements of UNO, challenge and future outlook, current status of UNO. You know everyone about UNO. Just a brief introduction about UNO. The foundation, UNO founded on October 24, 1945, aim to maintain international peace and security, promote human rights and foster cooperation on global issues. It is provide a platform for the member countries to express view and interaction. It is the largest international organization. It is a replacement of League of Nations, coordination actions on global challenges. Totally 193 members in UNO. Last country to join UNO is South Sudan 2011. That is headquarters located in New York City. There are 6 official languages in Arab, Chinese, English, French and Russian and Spanish. There are 9 secretary members ruled in UNO. The now present is Antonio Guterres from Portugal. He is the present Secretary General of the UNO. Next, there are some important key points of the principles of UNO. That is sovereign equality. All UN members are equality in the UNO concept. Next one is all UN members are maintaining peace through the good manner. Next, the UN members not interfere into the domestic affairs. Next, cooperation and assistance. All the UN members to cooperate to achieve their common goals. The main concept of human rights and equality to maintain the UNO. Next one is universal peace and security. Next, there are structure of the UNO. There are 6 structures in the UNO. First one is General Assembly, Security Council, Economic and Social Council, Trusteeship Council, International Court of Justice, it is called as ICJ. Next one, UN Secretariat. We have some template of the structure of the UNO. First one, what is General Assembly? General Assembly is a policy formation of decision making. It is working in the headquarters New York City. Next one is Security Council. It is main concept of the Security Council is maintaining of international peace and security. And one more thing, it is a decision enforcement. Next one is the headquarters, totally 15 members in the Security Council. 5 is permanent, 10 is non-permanent countries. Next, Economical and Social Council. This is coordination of the economic social issues and also policy development and recommendations, advocacy and global representation. Trusteeship Council. It is a decolonization and trust territories oversight. It's promote to good governance and help determination. It is now inactive role and maintaining occasional function of the Trusteeship Council. Next, International Court of Justice is the main concept structure of the UNO. It is we call shortly ICJ. Is the adjudication of disputes, interpretation of the international law and peaceful settlement of disputes. It is in Netherlands. Next, UN Secretariat. It is administration purpose of maintaining UNO, day by day activities, functions of the UNO. Next, these are the Security Council's 50 members. The 5 permanent members is China, France, Russia, the United Kingdom and United States. Other than 10 members are the Korea, Somalia, Switzerland are the recently joined in the temporary members. Next, what are the main achievements of the UNO? That is decolonization, maintenance of the food, peace and food security. Next, challenge and future of outlook. There are major power tension, raising tension among the major powers. It is decreasing political influence, UN's influence and diminishing adaptability and flexibility of the priority station. Next, it is challenging in the crisis management. Next, last, addressing a global threats, role in addressing non-traditional threats. Next, that is current scenario of UNO is renewed clash in the eastern Congo hunger crisis in Sweden. Totally for this issue, the UNO facing totally 25 billions of people facing food issues program. So the UNO supporting to the Sweden. Next, Somalia relations and challenges, humanitarian consequences in Gaza. It's all we all know about these issues recently. We are reading newspapers and all. Next, rights violation against Palestinian women and girls. UK alumni seek bill concerns, and Afghan gender restrictions. Finally, the foremost, mental health support in Madagascar. These are the current scenario facing by UNO. Thank you.